Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to revive a dead YouTube channel. If you are still struggling to make money online or you are just a beginner at making money, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below, so click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's get started with today's video without wasting too much of your time. With a few smart moves, you can give a dead YouTube channel new life. I have several YouTube channels that are no longer active. Last month, I set out to bring one of them back to life. So far, it seems to work. So here are some good ideas that will help you bring your channel back to life. The first thing is rebrand. It seems pretty obvious, but rebranding your channel will start the process of bringing it back to life. Everything has new colors and looks. Use Canva to make a new channel intro and banner, and give it a 30-day challenge. Start a 30-day challenge and keep track of what you do. If no one knows who you are, you can give yourself a challenge to post every day for the next 30 days. YouTube Shorts. Right now, YouTube is promoting their new Shorts feature. Put up a lot of short stories. This can help you get more people to watch your channel. Share your thoughts on big channels in your niche. Look for channels in your niche and comment on the most recent videos from the best content creators. Quora. When you answer questions on Quora, you can include a link to your YouTube channel. And don't post too many videos, but if yours really answers a question, you can post it. Put your shorts on TikTok and Instagram. You can post your short videos on Instagram Reels and TikTok. Idea Pins is a new short video feature on Pinterest. You can also post there if you want. Post 3 community messages every day. You can post things on YouTube's community page that are similar to a Facebook status. Share gifs from your videos and other useful things you find on the web. Memes are also very popular in community posts. Go live on YouTube. I know it's very scary to do live videos, but they are a great way to build community, which should be your only goal. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. You must take action to get results. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in my next video.